Hey everyone, this is Yari from Mermaid, and today I'm going to be covering the top 3 use cases for diagramming with Mermaid AI. Now, not only is Mermaid AI the quickest and easiest way to create your diagrams, the capabilities it has in doing so, like in the use cases that we're going to go over today in this video, are pretty insane. Now to get started, we're first going to navigate to Mermaid AI, and we can do so from the dashboard by pressing the new AI chat button here at the top, and that'll create and put us in a new Mermaid AI chat. You can also get there from the diagram editor by pressing the Use AI button here at the bottom left. But now that we're here on the Mermaid AI screen, we can go ahead and get started. And real fast, before we dive into the 3 use cases, I want to give you some quick tips as to how to most effectively use Mermaid AI and achieve the best results. And the first would be to be clear in whatever prompts that you give it. Being clear in your instructions to the AI will not only save you a lot of headache, but it will give you the best results as well. The next tip would be to provide context. So instead of just asking the AI to make a flowchart for user login, we could instead prompt it to create a flowchart for user login, include these things, meet these requirements, etc. And the last tip would be to iterate on your diagram. After prompting Mermaid AI, you might not get exactly what you want, so we encourage you to iterate on the diagram just by talking back and forth with it. It keeps the whole context of your conversation, so it's really easy, and you can create better and better diagrams within the conversation. All right, so now that that's out of the way, let's get started with our use cases. The first use case that I want to go over with you today is turning transcripts into flowcharts. So these transcripts can be from anything. They can be from YouTube videos, podcasts, lectures, meetings. It doesn't really matter. For the sake of today, we're going to be taking a YouTube video, getting the transcripts from it, and then putting it into Mermaid AI to view it as a flowchart. So this is the YouTube video that we're going to use. It has interviews with Googlers on how to get hired at Google, and we're going to visualize that whole process. So first we'll get the transcript. There's lots of tools out there that can do this for you, but basically all you have to do is copy the URL and paste it in, and it'll generate the transcript for you. So I'm just going to paste the URL in and let it generate. And once it's done, I'm just going to copy the transcript. And now that we have the transcript, all we have to do is go back to Mermaid AI and have it generate the flowchart for us. So using the tips that I mentioned earlier, the first thing that we're going to do is be clear in our prompt. So I directed it to please make a flowchart from the following transcript. Second, we're going to give it the context. So this is where we'll just paste in our transcript. And then once it generates, we'll keep iterating until we're happy with it. So I'm just going to go ahead and send this, and you'll see it'll work and generate the diagram in real time right in front of us. All right, so now that it's done, you can see it took the context from our entire transcript and prompt and made an easily understandable flowchart from it. And taking a closer look, the flowchart outlines the entire YouTube video, saving us a lot of time. All right, so this is pretty good. The only change I want to make is I want it to expand more on the technical interviews section of the diagram. So all we have to do is ask it to do just that, and it will implement our changes immediately. It actually gave me a separate diagram expanding on the technical interview part of the process, so we're just going to ask the AI to combine the diagrams into one. And when you're happy with what it generated, you can start using the diagram. You can jump into the editor, you can export it or share it with other users. But you can see how we can use Mermaid AI to turn transcripts from any source into a flowchart in just a few seconds. Alright, so the next use case I want to go over is turning your handwritten notes or even hand-drawn diagrams into Mermaid diagrams. All we have to do for this is to include a picture of our notes and tell Mermaid AI to create a diagram for us. Alright, so all I have to do to add the picture into the Mermaid AI chat is to press the plus button right here on the right, and then I can select the file, or I can drag and drop the file itself directly into the chat. Once your file is uploaded for context, all we have to do now is to instruct Mermaid AI to create a diagram from it. So we can say something like create a diagram for my notes. All right, so you can see that the notes that I provided for it were hand-drawn notes on the water cycle that I found online. And it took that and turned that into an editable mermaid diagram for us to use. This one is pretty simple, so I'm going to ask it to go more in depth and at the same time style it up a bit more. All right, so you can see it actually took a couple iterations until I was fully satisfied. This previous one was a bit more creative with having this little table on the side as some extra info and then some images that I was using. But I like the look of the rectangles and simplistic labels, so I opted for that instead. And just like that, we took those handwritten notes and the little miniature hand-drawn diagram inside that image and turned it into a fully customizable mermaid diagram just by asking the AI. All right, so the third and final use case that I have for you today is using Mermaid AI for process documentation. So this can include things like mapping out roles and responsibilities from within an organization, describing a manufacturing process or inputs that go into creating a finished product, drawing up a proposal for a new project, understanding its scope and steps, etc. So for this example, I'm just going to ask Mermaid AI to create a detailed project proposal for a mobile app that helps users track daily habits. All right, and you can see that I created a pretty big diagram covering all aspects of our project overview. I think maybe we could go more in depth on the key features, so we're going to expand on that. All right, so I just asked it to expand some more on the key features and to add some styling. And then as you can see, the whole diagram is a lot more organized, and these key features that we asked it to expand on are now a lot more well thought out. So those are the top 3 use cases that I have for you on diagramming with Mermaid AI. If you know of any other cool use cases, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching.